Here we are again. I have an interval. Maybe it goes from negative 7 pi over 4 all the way to pi over 4. And again, my first trick is to not let the fractions freak me out, nor the pi's. In fact, since everybody has a pi and everybody has a denominator of 4, I'm pretty much going to ignore those facts and just think about those coefficients. They're not even really coefficients. Whatever you want to call these numerators, that's what they are. They're the coefficient of pi on the numerator. Fine, that's a technical term. But I want to break that in half. And since the pi is there and the 4 is there, I can ignore it. Just find out what's halfway between negative 7 and 1. If you want to try to picture a number line and picture the halfway point, that's certainly your choice. Otherwise, just if you want to find the halfway point of two numbers, go ahead and take the average. If I add negative 7 plus 1 and divide that by 2, negative 3 is smack dab between those two things. Smack dab between 1 and negative 3, I might have to take negative 3 and add 1 and divide that by 2. So negative 1 is smack dab between those. And at this point I can see I'm basically skip counting by 2s or basic patterns or all kinds of ways to get negative 5 over here. And now that I've got that all figured out, I know that halfway between negative 7 pi over 4 and pi over 4 is negative 3 pi over 4. Halfway between these points is negative pi over 4. And halfway between these 2 points is negative 5 pi over 4. So to break this interval into 4 equal pieces, I found that halfway point by taking the average of these coefficients on the parts that were the same. And I took the average of those averages, and I've got new quarter regions for an interval that'll help me graph sine and cosine. Hopefully this is making you happy. The next one is 0 to something else, and it gets a little bit different, so you might... Well, there's another trick we can use, a trick-to-your trick. So you might check it out. I don't know, it's up to you.